There is only one thing that separates models who book every casting from those who walk out empty-handed. It is not just their looks or their walk or even their confidence. It is something so much simpler, yet so many people overlook it. Today, I am sharing this secret weapon that helped me book more castings and jobs than I ever thought possible. At the end of this video, you will wonder why no one ever told you about it sooner. If you're a model or just someone who is chasing their dreams, hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be sharing all the tips, secrets, and behind the scenes truths that no one talks about in the modeling industry. When I think back to one of my first castings, I walked in feeling so confident that I had the right look, that I had practiced my walk, and that I had nailed my poses. And guess what happened? I didn't get the job. And it was not the only time that this happened. And at first, I did think that maybe I wasn't good enough or that I wasn't doing something right, because I looked around and there were lots of other models who were getting booked consistently, and they weren't necessarily the most experienced or the best looking. They had something else that set them apart. So I really leaned in and I started to pay attention. I watched how they prepared, how they presented themselves, and how they interacted with those casting directors. And that's when it started to click for me that they had a secret weapon. And once I started using it, things started to change for me and I started to book jobs more consistently. Okay, and here it is, the secret weapon that every successful model uses for booking castings: preparation and presence. It sounds very simple, but I want to break this down for you because there is an art to it. Preparation is not just about practicing your poses or making sure that your portfolio is updated. It is about anticipating what the casting director is looking for and showing them from the very second that you walk in that door that you're exactly what they need. Now, how to use this secret weapon. Step 1, research the casting. Before you even step foot in that room, you should know everything that there is to know about the brand or the client. What is their vibe? What type of models do they usually book? Are they going for edgy, glamorous, or something more natural? Knowing all of this can really help you tailor your look and your energy to match their vision. For example, if I have a high fashion client, then I like to go for something that is sleek and polished with strong poses. And if it's a lifestyle brand, then I go for more relaxed and approachable. Casting directors do notice when you're aligned with their brand, and that is exactly what they are looking for. I just want to know, are these tips helping you feel more confident about your next casting? If so, drop a comment down below and let me know which step you're excited to try first. And if you are finding this video valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I've got even more casting secrets coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Step number 2, perfect your portfolio. Your portfolio is everything. It is the first impression before you even speak to the client. So make sure that it's clean, professional, and it includes a mix of shots that highlight your versatility. If you don't have certain looks yet, you need to book some test shots so that you can fill those gaps. One mistake that I used to make was putting every single shot that I had ever taken into my portfolio. Now I only include what is relevant for the client and it keeps their attention where I want it. Step 3, command the room. This is where that presence comes in. From the very moment that you walk into the room, you are being evaluated and watched. It is not just about how you look, it's also about how you carry yourself. Make sure that you stand tall, you make eye contact, and don't be afraid to engage. A friendly and professional demeanor can set you apart from someone who looks great but feels disconnected. Pro tip, practice introducing yourself with confidence. Something as simple as saying your name clearly and smiling can create a lasting impression. Also, do your best to remember the names of everyone that you speak to or shake hands with. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's talk about the mistakes that I see models make all the time, including myself, before I learned any better. Number one is overloading their portfolios. Too many images can overwhelm the client, and sometimes less is more. Number two is ignoring the brand's vibe. Showing up with a look or an energy that does not align can really ruin your chances of getting booked for a particular job. Number three, lacking confidence. Even if you don't feel confident, fake it, because confidence sells. You are the product, you're selling yourself, so sell it. These are some small adjustments, but they can make a huge difference in how you're perceived. I'm not gonna lie, castings can be really intimidating, but when you show up prepared and present, you're already ahead of most of the people in that room. The secret weapon isn't some unattainable magic. It's something that you can practice and perfect every single time. So, the next time that you walk into a casting, just remember, research, prepare, and own that room. And don't forget, every no brings you closer to a yes. That is how I learned to book more casting and jobs using this one simple technique. If you're ready to take your modeling career to the next level, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.